Taiwan is always on the list of go-to countries sa mga Pinoy travelers. Ang lapit lang kaya ng Taiwan sa Pinas. Bukod sa isa to sa affordable destination sa Asia, maraming pwede ma-explore na lugar and most especially perfect to for those na gusto mag-food trips and shopping. Isa talaga sa mga pinaka-binabalik-balik ako dito sa Taiwan is their street food. So, maraming beses na ako nakabisita sa Taiwan and napuntahan ko na mostly yung mga tourist spots dito. Kaya naman during my fourth visit here, samahan niyo akong libutin yung iba pa nilang wow attractions. Kagaya na lamang ng Gaomei Wetlands at magpakalokal dito para matikman ang masasarap nilang pagkain. So na-invite ako lumipad dito sa Taiwan. For Taiwan tourism, syempre nag-guess agad ako. 14-day free visa lang naman yung meron tayo dito at nung last visit ko, sobrang nabitin talaga ako. Yan, sabi ko, this time I will make the most out of it. I finally arrived at the airport and met my guide here. Nagulat ako dahil nakasakay tayo ngayon sa Mercedes-Benz. Naririnig ko lang siya sa Vice City pero ako na si Sanchay. Ganito pala maging komportable. Nakaupo ka lang. Sightseeing. XZARLIM. Comfortable era. Pero comfortable muna tayo for now. Kasi bukas, dun pala magsisimula ang adventure. Ngayon ano lang tayo. Chill. Deserve mag-relax after tiring flight. Yeah, we're gonna go to the park right now to check out what's in there. And hindi ko alam kung nandun. Kaya check namin siya. On the first day, wala naman kami masyadong gagawin. Dahil nakakapagod din yung biyahe from the airport. Pero naisip ako, why not? Puntahan na rin yung mga famous food trip spots dito. Sa trip na to sa Taichung tayo mostly mag-explore. It's the second largest city here in Taiwan. Sobrang dami ring nagkalat na tourist spots dito, gaya na lamang ng Rainbow Village, Songshe Flower Market, Miyahara Ice Cream. I am tala to na very Instagrammable nga. Pero tapos na ako sa era na yan. Ngayon, gusto ko talagang kumain kung saan kumakain ng mga lokal. Kasi doon mas authentic ang mga pagkain. May nakita lang ako ditong sikat na kainan na sobrang sulit pa for its price. Meron silang braised pork rice dito na nagkakahalaga lang ng 30 NTD o mahigit 55 pesos. Dito lang yan sa Fu Din Wang. Sobrang malasa ang pagkain dito. Pasusi ang pagkakaluto at napakamalinamnam ng pagkain. Try ko rin yung slice ham nila at masasabi ko na it's really a good meal on your first arrival here in Taiwan to get a glimpse of Taiwanese cuisine. Medyo may kahabaan ng pila dito. Naisipan ko rin mag-dessert after. So, trinay ko ulit ang famous milk tea shop dito, which is dito rin ang origin of pearl milk tea, ang Chun Shui Tang.
Chun Shui Tang.
Chun
Shui Tang.
Chun Shui Tang.
Chun means spring. Shui is like water. Tang is like a hole or place. This is the first bubble tea shop in Taiwan. So they founded 1980s.
So, it's the first ever bubble tea shop.
Yeah. Because they created the bubble tea. They moved here, so they.
Yeah, so we're gonna try the origin of pearl milk tea. Cheers.
Some disaster happened here.
Cannot compare because I haven't tried everywhere. But it seems like it's the original. It tastes better when it's the original. Yeah, busog na kami. Then it's time for dinner na rin. Kaya pumunta na kami sa Fengchian Night Market. Nagkalat ang mga street food dito at compare mo sa Ximending sa Taipei, mas lamang ang mga lokal dito sa lugar. Isa talaga sa mga pinaka-binabalik-balik ako dito sa Taiwan is their street food. So I'm gonna try this stinky tofu. So this is Taiwan traditional delicious snacks for only 90 NTD. Let's dig in. Ang sarap. Yun, no? Kitang-kita mo yung pagka-fresh ng tofu. Hindi siya ganun kaanghang. You have option if you're gonna avail spicy one. Yeah, let's try. Let's try more. Of course, I won't miss Xiaolong Bao. Well, try natin. Medyo may dito-dito pa, so be careful. I think yung pinakagusto ko dito is yung aftertaste. Once nakagat mo na siya, meron pa siyang aftertaste. So this is their pork rolls with scallion. We're gonna try this. Medyo matigas siya. I think maraming gulay dito sa loob. Parang lumpia. So, meron ako ditong nadaanan na kaibang food. So, I think itong nandito sa outer layer niya is the pork meat. Oh, thank you. So this is around 180 NTD. I think it's kind of pricey, but it seems so worth it. So we're gonna try it out. Hindi natin naintindihan to ngayon, pero with the use of Google Translate. So ganito ko in-order pag nasa ibang lugar ako. So gamitin lang natin tong Google Lens. Oh, diba? Translate na agad siya. Parang masarap ng German.谢谢。So, bye bye.
你们从
Sexy.
哪里来？
Yeah.
菲
She said only 26 seconds cooking.
菲律宾
Philippines.
是吗？
Yeah.
真的啊
What?
你们是菲律宾吗？
Philippines.
哦
Yeah.
很漂亮。
谢谢. Yes, fresh from, hindi ko ma-English yan. Ano, fresh from lutuan. Kaya natin. Wala. Sarap. Best so far. Sarap. Kagaya ng una ko natikman, mas susi din ang pagkakagawa ng pagkain nila at napaka-flavorful. Dami nagkalat na street food dito, pero itong ilan lang ang natry ko dito. I am here right now at Taichung Second Market. So apparently this is one of the most famous market to roam around and do some food trip. Yeah, we're gonna check out. I really like this kind of vibe here in Taiwan. Like you can roam around and eat where the locals eat, and it's not so touristy here. I think the thing is, if it's really nice food, it's gonna be a long line. So ang haba ng pila dito, kaya kailangan namin pumila. Ano yung pagkain dito? Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano yung pagkain nila, pero titingnan natin kung masarap ba siya. I'm just lining up here for the food. I think this is one of the most delicious food here. Ito yung dinadayo nila, kaya medyo mahaba yung pila. So, titingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Parang masarap siya eh. If you want to taste an authentic Taiwanese food, this is the perfect place to go here in Taichung Second Market. Look at this, para ako nasa street food. Oh, meron daw dito ang isang spot na really famous, recommended by our tour guide. So, hanapin natin kung nasan sila ngayon. We saw one of the most famous restaurants here in Taichung. It's a local restaurant called Arashi. And we ordered something like bola-bola. So, I think sobrang malaman yung pagkain nila. And this one, it's like a soup with different ingredients. Dumpling, like spring rolls, and meatball. Sarap. Malasang-malasa yung food. We found this most authentic black tea here in Second Market, Taichung, and they have many branches, especially in Taipei. And this is only 30 NTD. Para siyang gulaman. At ayan, busog na ako. Nakapag-overnight din ako dito sa Gaomei Lighthouse. It's a 45-minute drive from Taichung. It turns out Taichung is a big city surrounded by mountains and ocean. For now, ocean muna tayo dahil sa mga susunod na araw, lilibutin naman natin ang mga kabundukan. Oh my gosh! Let's have a room tour. Wow! Sobrang ganda. Very minimalist. Mag-room tour lang tayo. So, dito sa part na to, this will be our resting area. Pwede tayo magbasa-basa dito. Yan, very minimalist. Mag-ano lang tayo, bed check. Meron silang binibenta ata na 1,280. So, I think this is handy. Pag kinuha nyo to, bumabayad kayo. Meron pa na strategy to. Hair dryer, slippers. Since I think Mas mahaba pa yung binahe namin today compare sa actual na tour namin. Deserve ko mag-rest today. Sobrang pagod na. The downside here is they don't have a private toilet, so we need to go outside to pee. But it's okay. I'm just here to sleep anyway, and let's see what's in here tomorrow. Matatagpuan sa Taichung City ang isang underrated gem ng Taiwan na swak sa ganda. Ito ang Gaomei Wetlands, which is an ecological preservation zone in central Taiwan. Kilala ang Gaomei Wetlands sa masagana na natural resources at napakagandang area nito for sunset viewing. Ayun nga lang, medyo hindi kami sunerte sa panahon. This place is perfect for those who want to explore more of Taiwan and naghahanap ng medyo laid-back na tourist attraction. Although, medyo dumadami rin siya kapag sunset. Pwede mo siyang bisitahin along with other tourist attractions na nasa Taichung area na rin. Wait lang, ano nga ba yung mga pwede mong makita sa gorgeous coastal attraction na to? If you love bird watching, this place is for you. Every year from November to February, which is fall and winter ng Taiwan, large flocks of migrating birds would come here for short or either long stay during winter, which makes it the best place for bird watching. You can bring a pair of binoculars so you can see them up close and to spot rare bird species. Pwede mo ring explore ang Gaomei Wetlands ang nakabike, and for sure you have the best backdrop dahil nagagandahan ang mga windmills dito. You can also walk around or hang out at the boardwalk where you can observe the diverse ecosystem ng Gaomei Wetland. Pwede mo rin palang pupuntahan na may entrance fee lang na around 100 NTD. Dati daw kasi itong lighthouse ng mga Navy. Hanggang 10th floor ang taas nito at makikita mo ang view ng Gaomei Wetlands sa taas. So apparently this lighthouse, it's gonna be until 12th floor, and they said that it's more windy when we go up. You can hear the noise right now. Good thing we did hiking yesterday. So along this Gaomei Wetlands, it's surrounded by different areas. Now this is the bridge, and I think this is the best cycling route here. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my bicycle, but if you have more time, this is the perfect place to cycle around here. It's so scenic. You will be surrounded by Gaomei turbine, this wetland, and you'll see birds around. And yeah, hopefully I can spend more time here. And right now, just too windy. Yeah, what a day. Philippines, we have so many windmills, like Bangi windmills, but I haven't seen something like this before when the turbine is near with you. So in this side, the turbine is just here across the street. Siguro need ko talagang bumalik sa lugar na to. Noong ibang araw, nag-stay din kami dito sa city center, dito sa Green Hotel Taichung. So they have free trail food. Look at this. I haven't seen something like this before. Ang ganda nung design nila. Ganda nung, as in, never pa ako nakakita ng ganito. Tignan mo yung pagkakakonstruct nung, pero ako nananaginip. Totoo ba to? Char. Yan, mag-room tour na tayo ngayon. So, I'm so excited. Ay, hindi pala to. Wow! As a girl na natutulog lang sa campsite, deserve natin magpahinga today. Wow! Ito yung bumungad sa akin yung toilet nila. Look at this. Hindi! May curtain. Oh. So yun pala. Ito yung private. Alam mo naman mag-show. Ito yung isa sa highlight nila is toilet. Of course. Sarap jumebs dito. Yeah, it's very spacious. This is their working area. Mag-edit tayo dito. I think meron akong less than 24 hours. Your Tabuena. Wow! Kutsyon check. Oh, freebie ba to? Wala naman. So may mga freebies sila. Green tea. Today is just gonna be a chill day. We're parked, so we passed by Park Lane. So it turns out there's so many chill spots here in Taichung. Ako pa maisip kung mas gugustuhin ko bang dumara dito sa Taichung or sa Taipei. It's colder in Taipei compared here in Taichung. Ito na yung Mercedes. Ilang talaga pagkain at karagatan ng dinayo ko dito sa Taiwan. Sa mga susunod na episode ay samahan niyo naman akong libutin ng Taiwan gamit ang aking bisikleta sa east side at i-wonder ang kanilang mga kabundukan. Alam niyo ba na mayroong more than 700 hiking trails dito sa Taiwan? At samahan niyo akong explore yan sa susunod na kabanata.